RGB digital light strip. Connect the light strip, turn on the power, and the light strip will light up. Open Settings Wi-Fi, locate WLED AP and connect. Enter password WLED 1234。弹出 WLED 弹窗，点击进入。点击 WiFi Settings 进入，进行 WiFi 账号密码的设置，然后点击屏幕顶部 Save Connect 进行保存。保持手机和 WLED 控制器处于同一个 WiFi 连接下，进入 WLED APP。Click on the 加 in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter and click on Discover Light. When found WLED is displayed below the button, it indicates that the WLED controller has been searched. 拥有100多种特效。RGBW digital light strip. The light beads are different from the color selected. By the app, open the settings and click on LED preferences. Find the location, select the light strip model, and complete the setup. When the color selected by the app is different from the light bead color, open the settings and click on LED preferences. Find the location, select the correct order and click Save.